Hello? Hey honey, I'm about to head down to court. What's up?
Oh, I was just calling to check to see if you knew when you might be home tonight.
Well, I don't know. I have the Medlin hearing today, plus all the stuff I'm letting go because of the trial and all that, so it's probably going to be pretty late.
Why am I not surprised?
Honey, this is the biggest case of my life. You know everything that is riding on it.
What I know is that you must have forgotten about Caitlin's dance recital again. And what I know is that you promised once again that you would be home in time to help put dinner on the table and get the kids ready to go. What I know is that this is the 4th night this week. You're going to waltz in long after the kids are in bed.
Honey, please don't start. Not today. Remember partnership, dear? Maybe relief from all the pressure, everything that's hanging in the balance. Do you really want me to jeopardize all of that?
What I want is to not be left at home alone raising 3 kids for over 12 hours a day, 7 days a week on my own. What I want is to have a husband that makes promises and he actually cares enough to keep them. And clearly, I don't have that.
Of course I care! Of course I care. Why do you think I'm trying to make partner in the first place? It isn't because I like these people or this stupid job. We need that money to finish paying off my student loans, to afford to keep the kids in private school, for the kitchen renovations we're gonna do.
Speaking of which, I imagine I'll have to go to the meeting with the architect solo again tomorrow morning, right?
Oh, crap. I completely forgot. Honey, please just let me survive today and I will see what I can do.
Whatever.
Honey, if I can get this case settled, maybe win this motion today, maybe we can go on vacation like we planned next week.
Maybe? That vacation has been planned for months. What are you talking about, maybe?
Well, if the case does not settle, then there's trial and...
Unbelievable. You plan our vacation that I have been counting on all year for the week of a trial. You are unbelievable. Are you out of your mind?
Well, I mean, I thought the trial would settle or at least be dismissed. I know it doesn't make any sense, but my client is an idiot and he was freaking out today.
Client might be freaking out, but your wife is cracking up. And do you even care about that at all?
Of course I care. Crud, honey, I really have to go. We'll talk about this later, okay?
You always say that, and we never do. Don't even bother waking me up when you get home tonight.
Sorry for the delay, Jenny.